Welcome back. So we are going to be creating an AWS account in this case. And to create an AWS account, you visit aws.amazon.com. So here is the website in this case, so aws.amazon.com. And what you want to do now is at the top right corner, you simply click on create account. So the next thing you want to do is, first of all, AWS gives you access to try it up to 6 months free, and then starting with a $100 credit. We'll talk about that later. What you want to do now is to put in your email address and then your account name. Okay, your email address, anytime you're signing up for the first time in AWS, is usually called the root user account. Okay, so we want to create a root user account. Okay, and then you put in your account name. So let's say your name is John, for example. Someone most likely is already using John. Just try to make it unique, or just add number in case it allows you to verify your email without any error. Then that's okay, so make sure you do that. Then you may need to pass in the security verification. You just simply type the number as this on the screen. So your own case is going to be different, so make sure you type that correctly. Okay, you're going to be getting a confirmation code to your Gmail, so check your email for the confirmation code. Next thing you want to do is to put in your root user password. In this case, as you can see, it's verified. My email is verified. So to put in your root user password, just put in any password you are not going to forget, and it's always going to be unique in this case. All right, so I'm just going to copy this again, so make sure that you don't forget your password. All right, and then click continue. So by the way, this is simply the first step. There are 4 more steps to achieve. Next, you need to choose your account plan, either the paid or the free plan. Of course, we are going with the free plan, so click on choose free plan. Next, you need to sign up for AWS by putting in your personal information here. Your full name is necessary, organization name optional, put in your phone number, select your country, and put in your address. The second address is optional. Your city, put in your city, your state, put in that. Postal code. Now if you're talking about postal code, you can just simply go to your browser, then you can simply type postal code in, then wherever you're from, just type in, for example, if you're from USA and then you're in a state called Florida, you can just type postal code in Florida. Right, you could just copy anyone really, or if you have a specific city you live in, just type in that. You should see that it's just a bunch of numbers. Just copy that, and then when you're done, click on agree and continue. If it doesn't agree and continue, make sure you check in your details to make sure they are correct. And then there comes here where you need to put in your credit card number in this case. Okay, so what you need to do is to select the country which you are from, and then after that, what you want to do is to put in your credit card. Okay, so you make sure you put in your credit card right in this case. Okay, the expiration date, the year, the CVV that comes with it, the card holder, okay, the name on the card, the full name, your full name in this case. It could also be the name on the card. Your phone number, it's a must here, and then your address, your city, your state, and then that's it. Okay, and then when you're done with all those details, click on continue step 3 or 5. All right, so you're going to verify that your phone number. Okay, so you'll be sent a verification code to your phone number, so make sure you check your phone right now. So the code might not come instantly. It might take some couple of minutes for you to receive it, so just wait while it's received. All right, so I've received the code, so that's 9512, and then you click continue. So this takes you to the last step. Alright, so now you finally have your AWS account. So we are going to come back to this right in this case.